How can lecture notes improve your information recall? Imagine trying to remember what you learned in class without any notes. It's like trying to find a specific book in a huge library without a catalog. Taking good lecture notes makes that process much easier. When you write down what the teacher says, you're actively involved in the learning process. This helps your brain process the information better than just listening passively. Good notes help you identify the main ideas and key details. Instead of copying everything, focus on capturing the core concepts, questions, and evidence. This makes your notes more organized and easier to review later. When you review your notes soon after class, you reinforce what you've learned. Spending just 5 to 10 minutes cleaning up your notes helps clarify confusing parts and fills in missing details. This process makes the information stick in your memory longer. Another way notes improve recall is through retrieval practice. When you quiz yourself using your notes, you're actively recalling the information. This strengthens your memory because your brain gets used to pulling the information out when needed. Using visual aids like color coding, diagrams, or mind maps can also make your notes more memorable. These tools engage different parts of your brain and help you see connections between ideas. Combining note-taking with other study techniques like summarizing in your own words or teaching the material to someone else can boost your memory even more. Spacing out your review sessions over days or weeks helps transfer the information from short-term to long-term memory. Sleep is also important because it helps your brain process and store what you've learned. Using a structured note system, like writing questions, evidence, and conclusions, makes your notes more effective. When you review and test yourself regularly, your notes turn into powerful tools for remembering what you've learned. This active approach to note-taking and review makes it easier to recall information when you need it, whether for exams or practical applications. So, good lecture notes are not just records of what was said. They are your secret weapon for better memory and smarter studying.